The current app can include fees depending on which features you use, because the core banking account is separate from optional paid services like cash advances and premium tools. By the end, you'll know what parts of Current are free, where monthly costs can appear, and how to avoid paying for features you don't actually need. Current is a mobile banking app with optional add-on services. That means you can open an account without always paying a monthly subscription, but some features inside the app can come with costs depending on what you activate or qualify for. The pricing isn't always obvious until you start using specific features. Now focus on the most important separation. The base banking account is designed to function like a standard checking account, including debit card access and basic account tools. Those core features are typically not where people run into surprise charges. The costs usually appear in optional features. These can include things like cash advance services or premium financial tools that are designed for faster access to money or expanded account functionality. If you enable or qualify for these features, that's where charges or fees may apply. Now, explain where confusion happens. A lot of users assume the entire app is either free or fully paid, but Current is structured more like a base account with optional paid layers. That's why two users can have completely different experiences with fees inside the same app. Now talk about cash access features. If you use instant cash or advanced style services, those are typically the areas where costs are introduced. The fee is tied to convenience and speed, not just account ownership. If you don't use those features, your experience may stay fee-free. Now talk about behavior. Most unexpected costs happen when users activate features without checking the terms or forget they are using a paid option. That's why it's important to review what's turned on inside the app settings. Here's the simple breakdown. Current does not force a single monthly fee for everyone. Costs depend on which features you activate, especially around cash access and premium tools. Do this next. Open the Current app and go to your account or benefits section. Look at which features are active, especially anything related to cash advances or premium services, and check if they show any pricing before you use them. If you only use the basic banking features, you may not see any monthly cost at all. Current works best when you know exactly which features you've enabled, because that's where the fees come from.